Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It's time for another tag video. Alright, so I have no idea why, but I keep messing up. I have not stumbled over my words this much since I first started recording videos. And then not to mention, on top of that, I've had things fall randomly because my dog got a little excited. I've had somebody at the door. I've had 2 phone calls. I just want to record a video. Why is that so hard? All right, so anyway, Tag Tuesday. I know it's Thursday, but I've been busy. So I want to thank Tracy over at Trials of a Long-Haired Girl because she writes these every week. And I want to thank Let's Get Fit with Sandy because she tagged me, which we always tag each other. And I also want to thank Mary Fran over at No Excuses. She tagged me as well. I think it was a hint, like, Robert, get the darn video out. So here I am. I am putting it out. And I am going to be tagging Lisa over at From Dumpy to Diva and Amy from over at the Teami Queen Gets Fit. I can't talk today. I can't. I don't know what my deal is. But yeah, so I am tagging them. I feel like this will be interesting, even though they both aren't actually doing specific current Weight Watchers. Lisa knows everything about Weight Watchers. But Amy, she's lost a lot of weight and she's on her way to getting closer to her goal. And ultimately, even though it says before and after WW, I feel like this could be before and after eating healthier, getting healthier in general. All right, so number 1, eggs. And this is a restaurant order, PS, if I didn't say that. I've recorded this so many times, I don't know what I've said. So in a restaurant, before and after weight loss journey, what did you do when you ordered eggs? I do them the same as I did then. I've always ordered scrambled. I just like scrambled. So pretty easy, pretty basic. I mean, I do like omelets. I just don't order them that much. I feel like they're not worth the price. Eggs don't fill me up. I don't love eggs. Yeah, so I just order scrambled. IHOP does have the best scrambled eggs, in my opinion, though. All right, number 2, fish. I don't know if I order it any differently. I've always loved grilled fish. So I don't think I've ever really ordered it differently. I might have gone to like Captain D's a little bit more often and had their fried fish, but at an actual sit-down restaurant, typically if I'm ordering fish, it's going to be like a fancy like grilled blah 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 fish, not a deep fried battered fish. Yeah. All right, number 3, drink of choice. Okay, years ago it used to always be regular soda, so mainly Dr. Pepper, Mountain Dew. Those are my 2 biggies. And now I admit, if I'm eating out, which I don't know the last time I ate out at a restaurant, but I will probably order diet soda. So still soda, it's diet, it's a little bit better, still not great, but I also order water so that I am drinking water. And the soda, I try to just have the one because, you know, they're always unlimited refills. And in my head, if I'm paying like $3 for this, when I could get a 2-liter for $3 at a grocery store or less than $3, then my brain goes, I should have more. Plus, I'm always thirsty. I'm just a thirsty person. Yeah. So that's the only main thing that changed was switching to diet, and then I do also order water. And I have ordered water only before. It's just, you know, we're in the middle of a pandemic. This is kind of hard. When was the last time I was at a restaurant? Before this, I had no friends. And I don't eat out alone. Now I have some more friends that I can actually do more stuff with, but we can't do anything. So I don't know, but my plan of action is that. All right, number 4, biscuit or toast. I was always a biscuit person. I was never huge into bread until I started losing weight, actually. It's weird. But definitely biscuit person, especially if I'm going to have biscuits and gravy. The next question has to do with gravy, so let's not finish that sentence. But yeah, it was always biscuits. And with butter and jelly, especially grape jelly. Grape jelly is my favorite. Now I want grape jelly. This thing's making me hungry, and I just ate. Actually, it's too complicated to get, but I just made some black soybean noodles. It's on my Instagram. Check it out. It actually tasted really good. Got it at Aldi's for like $2, and it was a box, and it's got 4 servings in there. I mean, I'm a big boy, so it's got 2 servings in there, but still, like, it was pretty cool. But yeah, anyway, it was always biscuit. Never a huge fan of toast. Occasionally, like that breakfast. Most of these are breakfast, except for the fish. Like the toast where they cut it into the triangle and then they put the butter on it and it's all melted before it even gets there. And then back in the day, you could put more butter on and more grape jelly. That I liked, but typically it was always biscuits. Anyway, the point of this long rambling nonsense is now I am more of a toast person because I do like bread now. I still, if I'm going to be ordering it at a restaurant, and plus I okay, let me get into the real reason why toast. I don't feel guilty not eating the toast. I feel guilty not eating a biscuit for some reason. And so at a restaurant, like typically it's not worth the points, especially restaurant biscuits or restaurant bread. I don't know why. Anytime you look in the app, it's like a lot more points. Not worth it. I could totally be having more sausage. I'd rather have another sausage link than toast or bread or biscuit. Yeah. So, yeah. Number 5, this video, guys. I'm sorry. My brain is very scattered right now. I don't know what my deal is. I think I have a lot of pent-up energy and I need to work out. That's what I should be doing. You can see I'm prepping. I got my exercise ball and my kettlebell back there. So I have all this energy, especially since I just had that soybean pasta, which was so good. So anyway, let's focus. You with me? Let's focus. Last question. It's easy. This is only 5. There's no reason I should still be on this. Number 5 is gravy with meal. Again, I'm assuming this is breakfast. And yeah, before, like, let me take you down memory lane. I would get sausage links. I prefer links over patties, and hash browns, and gravy, and scrambled eggs, and then maybe a biscuit, and whatever else. But the thing is, like, I'd eat the eggs real quick first because I was never a big egg person, still not. And then I would cut up all of the sausage and I'd mix it into the hash browns or into the biscuit or both. And then I pour gravy over everything. And I'd be like, give me an extra thing of gravy. Let's make this a freaking soup. So good. So good. I love sausage gravy. I really do. It's so good. And now I'll still order gravy with my breakfast if I'm having something like that. It's just I might take out some of the extra. So obviously not the biscuit, not the toast really, hash browns, gravy, silver sausage. If they have turkey sausage, do that. And honestly, the more I am on this journey, especially because we're in a pandemic, I cook more at home. And you can make gravy really, really healthy. Not healthy, but low in calories and low in points. So I just rather do that. Most things are better homemade, except I love my dad. Let me start by saying that. And my family loves how he makes gravy, but I can't stand it. It tastes like flour water. It's so gross. But they love it. I don't. But other than that, typically he's great at making everything else in breakfast. Let's not spend the rest of this video insulting my dad. Love you, Dad. Yeah, anyway, that was the last question. There were only 5. I've dragged this out way too long. I need to go exercise and turn on the AC or something because I am hot. So, if you do this tag, let me know. I'll tag you in a future video. And plus, if you just have a channel in general, let me know. I want to watch. There's been several new ones that I have been watching, and I can't remember them off the top of my head, but they've been awesome. So comment down below, let me know, let others know. And again, I'm tagging Lisa over at From Dumpy to Diva, and I'm tagging Amy over at Let's Get Fit with Amy. No, that's not her name. The TMI Queen Gets Fit. I can't talk. I'm just gonna call it a day. Bye, guys.